Hello friends, this is the chiller that we installed the other day, but when the electric connections are made, the compressor motor is not good. So I'm making an alternative for this. I have this EP60, so I checked the cooling system in this one. The cooling system is through these two water jackets. These pipes, these are the water pipes. This is the inlet for the air and that is the out. And this one for the oil, to keep the oil cool. But now I'm going to connect these two jackets, water jackets, and I'm going to cool down the air. Yeah, sorry from the image to show a couple of things. I think of the fan. The fan has 4 screws on the motor and 4 and 3 7 screws with this mesh. Take up the fan, and these are the water lines, this one and this one. So I'm gonna make one as a inlet and the other one as a drain. And for these things, I'm gonna give air in, and from here I will take it up or anywhere, and the next one we can make it outlet. I remove this fitting from here and put it there. This pipe was on 90 degrees. I just bent it a little bit, and now both the bottom are connected. I'm giving the airline from here, and I'm getting the air out here. I already put this one and cut a piece from here. This two I have a fixed pipe. I'm going to use this to connect at the back, and these two I'm gonna make like a 10 inch or about 8 inch nipple, and then put a band here, and the same, and 2 pipes long going down. I fixed these fittings for the water in and out, and this was one of the ways I have, and I already marked for the holes. Now I'm gonna drill a hole to fix the top parts. Okay, I have welded this metal part to hold the pipe going up with the help of the pump. This one is ready to go to the compressor. The fitting for this cooling system I will put in the next part. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.